News is coming in. Finance Minister Pranab Mukherjee has met Prime Minister Manmohan Singh, but he refused to comment on the massive hike in petrol prices.
Had a meeting with Prime Minister?
No, I did not have any meeting with anybody. I had a meeting with Prime Minister in respect of another area.
Meanwhile, an unprecedented hike in petrol prices, and there are protests across the nation with the common man demanding an immediate rollback. Oil Minister Jayapal Reddy has met the Prime Minister and the Finance Minister, even as sources say that the Congress core group will meet this evening to discuss the petrol price hike. Mamata Banerjee, meanwhile, has said that she will take to the streets protesting the petrol hike on Saturday.
We had called earlier for a nationwide protest on behalf of all the four left parties on the 31st. We called for a nationwide protest because our strength in different states is of a different degree. Where we are strong, it will be virtually a Bandh, like Bengal, Kerala, etc. Where we are not, we would organize protest rallies and dharnas and things like that. But the BJP has now subsequently given the call for a Bandh on the same day. They've chosen the same day. So in which case, I think, these are separate calls, but I think they'll converge on the same day. But there is widespread anger. There's already spontaneous demonstrations and protests already taking place from today.
जैसा हमारे यूपी में भी बयान दिया है कि इस जनता को समस्या है, हम बात करेंगे, सरकार में रह के ही बात करेंगे, क्योंकि जो डिफ्लेशन हुआ है, रुपये का डेप्रिसिएशन हुआ है, वो भी एक कारण है।
लेकिन सर, आम जनता बहुत
परेशान है और चर्चा चल रही है डीजल के बारे में, उससे भी और बहुत परेशान है। लेकिन समस्याएं भी ऐसी हैं कि 20% रुपए के डेप्रिसिएशन से ही कॉस्ट बढ़ गई है।
तो सरकार का फेल्योर मानते हैं?
देखिए, समस्याएं इंटरनेशनल हैं, बहुत सी। सरकार जितना उसमें कर सकती है कर रही है।
पेट्रोल की कीमतों को लेकर दिल्ली की जनता को आपकी तरफ से कोई राहत मिलेगी क्या? पेट्रोल की कीमतें जो बढ़ गई हैं, दिल्ली की जनता को बजट पेश करूंगी तब बताऊंगी।